Streamline your grocery delivery and eliminate packing chaos. Are you struggling to manage multiple delivery platforms? Overwhelmed by overflowing tablets cluttering your counter space? Introducing FX3, the all-in-one solution designed for the modern grocery and convenience store. This cloud-based system consolidates orders from all your delivery partners like Uber Eats and Deliveroo into a single user-friendly platform. No more juggling multiple tablets, dealing with tangled wires, or wasting precious counter space. FX3 integrates seamlessly with your existing workflow, offering a convenient add-on with minimal setup. The FX3 can also create crisp, clear price markdown labels and handle a variety of other labeling tasks in your business. Imagine printing all your order labels from delivery addresses to individual bag labels with just a few clicks. The Delivery Cloud and e-commerce parking bench solution even offers a camera system that records the packing process for customer peace of mind. They can be assured their groceries are packed and even tamper-proofed with a secure seal. But the Delivery Cloud and e-commerce packing bench solution goes beyond convenience. Embedded video footage can be sent to customers directly within the delivery partner's tracking system. This transparency eliminates disputes about missing items and fosters trust, ensuring a smooth experience for both you and your customers. Here's what the Delivery Cloud and e-commerce packing bench solution offers. Save time and money. Streamlined order management means less hassle and more efficiency. Reclaim counter space. Consolidate everything into one powerful platform. Eliminate confusion. Improve packing accuracy and reduce errors. Boost customer satisfaction. Tamper-proof packaging and order verification builds trust. Reduce waste. Promote sustainability with efficient packaging practices. And FX3 isn't just for groceries. High-end retailers can also leverage this secure packing solution to ensure their valuable products are shipped safely and securely. Ready to take the chaos out of e-commerce packing and delivery? Learn more about FX3 today and discover a smoother, more efficient way to fulfill your online orders.